Hey guys, today I am unboxing some new isopods, so I'm getting their container ready. So the first thing I put in is a homemade mix of substrate that is mostly Traeger oak pellets that have been rehydrated with some bark, some charcoal, and then I just added a lot of this aspen snake bedding. So I'm going to mix that together, get that nice and combined. The Traeger mix has already been hydrated. Got some cuttle bone mixed in there as well. And a little stick here. And I'm going to mix this with, this is an orchid soil that you can buy at the hardware store or at Home Depot. So I'm going to add quite a bit of that. And mix that around. And this is going to be for my new culture of Armadillidium Gestroi, which I'm very excited about. So I like to set up my enclosures with a one corner has cuttlebone and the other corner is the wet corner. So I'm going to put some moss on that side. And this helps me keep a moisture gradient because I know to water only this one corner. And that way I don't overwater, although I tend to do that anyway. So now let's get to our new friends. Excited about these guys. Here they are. These are the Armadillidium Gestroi. So as you can see, they're very pretty. Got their golden spots. So I'm going to turn them out into their new home. There should be about 10 mixed into this moss. So they're all sort of hidden and tucked away. And these are juveniles, so they're going to grow. And hopefully as they mature, I can have a little bit of a breeding stock. But just to get started off, I'm going to get them comfortable and give them a nice little place to grow up in. So those are my Armadillidium Gestroi. I still need to add ventilation holes to my container and to the top just to make sure they're nice and comfortable and get plenty of air. But this is going to be their new house.